Fridge Films presents FridgeFest 2011, live from the Ivy Inn in Princeton, New Jersey, May 7th, from noon to 9 p.m. 7 bands:
Cerca Trova,
Infernal Devices,
The Things They Carry, Piscean Tragedy,
AVRA,
Hypnotic Buddha,
the Clusterbirds.
And spinning music is DJ Cueball of the Bloodhound gang.
Think you can sing?
Ivy Idol Karaoke Finals,
Billiards, and Cornhole tournaments.
with prizes. Tickets on sale, just $10 or get them at the door.
Check out FridgeFilms.com or go to the Ivy Inn box office for more details.
FridgeFest 2011. Get your tickets today.
Email Josh at FridgeFilms.com.
Bands and events are subject to change. Please see FridgeFilms.com for more details.